Hey, what's going on, guys? So on the last episode I welded out the back frame of the shelf. So on today's episode I'm going to be welding out the lower portion of the shelf, which is essentially going to be a large box, and it's just going to be the base of the shelf. Hopefully I get that all done today, so let's get started. Got this all welded up. I'm just going to put the extension now. It's basically going to be building a box. I'm going to get a few pieces cut for the top, angle them out, same with the bottom. So let's go ahead and take some measurements and get that welded up too. The lower extension is going to maintain the same width of 15 inches and will extend out an additional 21 3/4 of an inch, making the total depth of the lower shelf 23 inches when taking into account the thickness of the back support that I've already built out. The top portion of the lower shelf will use mitered 45-degree angle cuts, while the lower portion will be butt welded to the front legs. So I got all my pieces cut, so now I'm just going to clean off all the edges where I'm going to be welding. So let's do it. Here is basically the top portion of the lower shelf. Again, the front legs will be butt welded to the lower portion. So I've got the top part of the sort of lower box. Got it all, for the most part, welded up. So now I'm going to work on the bottom half and get them all connected. So I got all of the pieces prepped and ready to go. So it's basically going to look something like this when all is said and done. I am making the height of the lower extension a little bit less than 29 inches tall, as I plan to attach adjustable feet to the bottom since no floor is perfectly level. In the end, it should match the height of my desk. These magnets are a godsend when trying to attach pieces at right angles, though they do require a lot of trial and error to get things absolutely perfect. In conjunction with the magnets, I'm utilizing offcuts of square tubing to help ensure everything is aligned as best as possible and flush with the rest of the frame.
Alright, so here we have one side partially done. Still need to build out all the shelves, but that will be for another time.
Alright guys, so that's all I have time for today. So we're going to wrap up the video. On the next episode, I'm going to be welding out the 3 smaller shelves to the main frame. So that should be exciting. We're almost done with this side. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.